So this is a logarithm problem, class 9. If log x by b minus c is equal to log y by c minus a is equal to log z by a minus b, then prove that x b plus c, y c plus a, z a plus b equal to 1. So the condition is given: log x b minus c, log y c minus a, log z a minus b. We have to prove this. Let log x is equal to log y c minus a log z a minus b equal to k, where k is not k is not equal to 0. K can be anything, which means log of x by b minus c is first issue is equal to k, which means log x is equal to k into b minus c, k into b minus c, which is equal to let's write it again. So these three are equal to k. So we have log of x b minus c is equal to k, which means this one, which means log of x is equal to k into b minus c. Now if we multiply both sides by b plus c into log of x equal to k into b plus c into b minus c, this one. So, but this can be written as log x b plus c, log x b plus c. Why? Because log of an entity to the power x is equal to x log and that entity. So log b to the power x is x into log b. We know that, this one. That is a property. So log x to the power b plus c is k into b plus c into b minus c. Again, this is equal to this formula: a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This formula. So we have this one equal to b square minus c square. Give it equation number 1. Then we have log of y c minus a is equal to k, which is equal to log of y is equal to k into c minus a. Multiplying both sides by c plus a, we get log of y is k into c square minus a square. Same as this one, b plus c into b minus c, b square c square. C plus a into c minus a is c square a square. So this is equal to log y c plus a is k c square minus a square. Let us put it as equation number 3. Equation number 2. And we have, lastly, we have log of z, which is equal to k into divided by a minus b is k into, this one is equal to k, which means log of z is k into a minus b. So multiplying both sides by a plus b log of z is equal to k into a minus b a plus b, which is equal to log of z a plus b is k into a square minus b square. Let us say this is equation number 3. So we have 3 equations: log x b plus c, log y c plus a, log z a plus b. This is b square c square k into b square c square k into c square a square k into a square b square. Now if we add these 3 equations, what we have? We have to add the left hand sides first. Log x square b square, log y square c plus a, log x to the power b plus c, log y to the power c plus a, log z to the power a plus b. So we have log of b plus c plus log of c plus a plus log of a plus b. This is equal to, we add the right hand side also, k b square c square, k c square a square, k a square b square, k b square minus c square plus k c square minus a square, k a square minus b square, which is equal to, taking k common, which is equal to b square minus c square plus c square minus a square plus a square minus b square. This cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out. K into 0 is equal to 0. Now this side, log x to the power b plus c, log y to the power z plus c, log y z to the power a plus b. This is equal to log of x b plus c multiplied by y c plus a z a plus b, this side. Because log of a product, if you write the product like this, it is equal to log a plus log b plus log c. So if this whole thing is a, whole thing, let us assume that this whole thing is a, whole thing is b, whole thing is c, then it becomes like this formula. So log a, log b, log c, we have log a, b, c, log a, b, c. So that simply means this whole thing is equal to 0. Now, when logarithm of an entity is 0, then the logarithm, then the entity itself must be 1. If b to the b log x to the power b plus c, y to the power c plus a, z to the power a plus b is 0, then x, y, z z a plus b is 1, because since log of since log of 1 is 0. You can certainly say since log of 1 is 0, hence x to the power b, this whole thing must be equal to 1. So the problem is solved. Now, writing it haphazardly will not do. We have to write it properly, neatly and cleanly. So let us do that. You always have to write the solution in a tidy way. Explaining this is on board is one thing, then writing it down on for exam is another thing. So in exam you always have to write it very neat and clean. Okay, step by step. Solution. Let log x b minus c is equal to log y c minus a log z a minus b is equal to k, where k is not equal to 0. Then we have log x by b minus c is equal to k. Log x b minus c is equal to k, which means log of x is k into b minus c. K into b minus c. So multiplying both sides by b plus c, it becomes log x k b minus c b plus c, which is equal to log of x b plus c equal to k b square minus c square. B plus c log x b to the power x is x log b. B to the power x is b log c. This is the same formula. Log bx is x log b. So this factor b plus c multiplying log x, it becomes log x to the power b plus c. And this one b minus c b plus c, a plus b, this formula a plus b a minus b, a square minus b square. So it is b square minus c square. So let us take it as equation number 1. Then also log y c minus a is k, which means log of y is k c minus a. So same thing, log of y is k into c minus a c plus a, which implies log of y c plus a is k into c minus c square minus a square, same as this one. Let us say this is equation number 2, and we have also the third equation, log z a minus b is k, which means log z is equal to k into a minus b, which implies a plus b into log z is k, a minus b, a plus b. Which implies log of z a plus b is k into a square minus b square, same as these two. So we have equation number 3. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which implies, let us add the left hand side, log x b plus c, log y c plus a, log z a plus b. Let us continue it here, discontinuing. Log x b plus c plus log y c plus a plus log z a plus b. This is equal to k square b square c square, sorry, k into b square minus c square plus k into c square minus a square plus k into a square minus b square. Now this is equal to log x b plus c, log y c plus a, log z a plus b. This is equal to log ABC, which is equal to log A, log B, log C. So the product can be written as this. So this is equal to x log of x B plus C, y C plus A, z A plus B is equal to demarcation line k into b square minus c square plus c square minus a square plus a square minus b square, which means log of x b plus c, y c plus a, z a plus b is equal to k into, this cancels out, k into 0 is equal to 0. So that means log of x b plus c, c plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now if log of an entity is 0, then the entity itself must be 1, because since log of 1 is equal to 0, hence x b plus c, y c plus a, z a plus b is equal to 1. Log of 1 is 0 always, hence this entity must be equal to 1 into. So it is proved that x b plus c, y c plus a, z a plus b is equal to 1. This is proved.